Legal tip. There are two things that need to be in every single legal contract your business signs or sends out, and most contracts don't have them. The first one, at least here in the state of Florida, is an attorney fee clause. If someone breaks the contract and you have to fix it and take them to court, you want the ability to be able to recover your attorney's fees and the money that you had to pay for legal costs to take that person to court for violating that contract. It might sound automatic, it might sound basic, but here in the state of Florida, attorney's fees are not presumed. And if you don't have that written into the contract, you could be screwed. If your contract doesn't have an attorney fee clause, you could actually spend more money with attorneys trying to enforce that contract than the contract is actually worth. And the other side just sits back and just laughs at you and waits for you to spend more money trying to enforce a contract they broke a long time ago. So that's probably not the best recipe for success. In fact, that means that the other person can pretty much just ignore you. Having that attorney's fee clause will change that for you. The second one is a governing law clause. A lot of people don't pay attention to this at all. So they figure if I'm doing business with a company out in Washington State, well, I have to agree to their law and their contract. It just depends on who has the strategic advantage or who has the bargaining power. I always try to negotiate either a direct connection to the state that we're doing business in or somewhere at least in the middle to make it easier if there is ever a contract breach so you don't have to travel across the country to their home forum. So always pay attention to that governing law clause within the contract as well. The best contracts don't just say what happens when everything goes right. They actually plan for bad situations or adversarial situations or something goes wrong and the people want out of the contract. That's an important thing. That's the best form of contracting. This is general information and not legal advice. You're not hiring a lawyer. You're not hiring me and my firm just by listening to a video. But if your contracts don't have these two things, an attorney's fee provision and a governing law provision, you have some problems and you should fix it. Comment Protect, and I will send you the list of 10 things that your business lawyer should be doing to protect you in every single deal.